What's the meaning of arraignment? Arraignment. Arraignment.
Arraignment. Arraignment. Arraignment is a criminal court proceeding in which the defendant is formally charged with a crime and enters a plea of guilty or not guilty. During the arraignment, the charges against the defendant are read aloud, and the defendant is asked to enter a plea. If the defendant pleads guilty, a sentencing hearing will usually be scheduled for a later date. If the defendant pleads not guilty, a trial date will be set, and the defendant may be released on bail or remanded into custody until the trial. The arraignment is an important stage in the criminal justice process.